What is sublimation? Thermodynamics explained simply. Imagine a solid piece of dry ice sitting on your table. As it warms up, it doesn't melt into liquid carbon dioxide. Instead, it turns directly into gas. That quick jump from solid to gas is what we call sublimation. It might seem strange because we usually think of matter changing state step by step, solid to liquid, then liquid to gas. But in sublimation, the middle step is skipped entirely. In thermodynamics, which is the study of how heat and energy move, sublimation is a special kind of phase change. It happens when the pressure around the solid is very low, lower than what's called the triple point. The triple point is where solid, liquid, and gas can all exist together in balance. When pressure drops below this point, the solid can go straight to gas without becoming a liquid first. Think of it like this. When you heat a solid, the molecules gain energy. Usually, they break free from each other, turning into a liquid first. But if the pressure is low enough, the molecules can jump straight into the gas phase because there's not enough pressure to hold them in a liquid state. This process needs energy called the heat of sublimation, which is the amount of heat needed to make this jump happen. The heat of sublimation is actually the total energy required to go from solid to gas directly. It's equal to the heat needed to melt the solid into a liquid plus the heat needed to turn that liquid into gas. But in sublimation, this all happens without the liquid stage. That's why dry ice, which is solid carbon dioxide, is a perfect example. It turns directly into carbon dioxide gas at room temperature and normal pressure. Another example is ice in very cold, dry environments. Instead of melting into water, it can go straight into water vapor, especially when the air is dry and the temperature is low. This is why frost can sometimes disappear without melting, just turning into vapor directly. On a phase diagram, which maps out where different states of matter exist, sublimation occurs along a line called the sublimation line. This line separates the solid and gas areas and ends at the triple point. Below this point, sublimation is the only way for solids to become gases. It's a fascinating process that shows how matter can change states in ways that challenge our everyday experiences, all governed by the principles of thermodynamics and energy transfer.